That's recording, and this is recording. Excellent. Woo! Oh! I'm 25 and I'm just finding out about it. My name is also Colin. There's some weird shit happening on the South Mountain.
There's more. There's so much more.
Let's go chasing waterfalls. You haven't burnt through that rear pad already, have you?
No. No, there's an easier place for you to turn around.
Yeah. Oh, dude, this is an awesome spot. How have I never known about this?
I don't know, actually. I don't know how I never knew about it. I lived here my whole life and I found out about it when I was like 25.
I'm 25 and I'm just finding out about it. My name is also Colin. There's some weird shit happening on the South Mountain.
Jesus, you're only 25?
Yeah, man.
Now I feel old.
How old did you think I was?
Oh, you were as old as I am or older?
Well, how old are you?
I'm 30.
Oh, whatever. What's five years anymore?
For 30.
Just give me 1 sec. I just... Oh, shit.
I'm just my non-stop let's go personality. So, like, I feel like content-wise I'm great, but as far as like editing and being responsible for my own shit and responsible at all.
But you know, man, like, that's what people are video editors for.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this is sick.
Yeah, man.
What?
It's a fun little spot. And we actually went swimming in this little pool the other day and it wasn't that bad.
It looks like it's
not
pretty
very
deep.
It's
No?
not very deep. You can't jump into it.
Really?
You can go down and swim in it, and it's funny deep. I'm not good enough to take the child's bike down this stuff yet. But
You know what? I wouldn't be surprised if you get there.
I'm looking to be there.
Huh. This is
I've been
fucking
watching
nice,
a lot
man.
of Tony Bow videos.
Oh, it's registering upside down for some reason. Oh well. Oh fuck, man, bring the bike right down here.
Yeah.
Go up that.
Tony Bow could, I could not.
Rear suspension. Fuck. Nice. like a fool. I didn't drop it. I didn't almost drop it at all. And then I put my foot down here and almost tanked her like an idiot. Fuck.
Dude, you make it up there easy?
I'm glad I was in first gear, because this just doesn't traction as well as like a more aggressive knobby. It just doesn't throw the rocks.
No.
Fucking Colin. You whipped her right around.
Too hard in the corner.
Yeah, your peg is... Your peg. There you go. I almost did
what happened in the first place.
I almost did the same thing, but not to that extent. Like, that was impressive. Yeah. Fuck. Man, it's just not your day.
I keep washing out.
You keep looking at your back wheel. I saw that.
It just feels it just doesn't feel quite right. Like, well, it feels like it's pulling me like in. You know what I mean?
No.
Like, I don't feel like I'm going straight. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, I wonder if you tweak your forks.
Yeah.
How long? Just, like, yeah, just back it up a little bit to start, and once you hop on it,
something feels super wrong.
Yeah,
I'm cornering and it's like shoving me out.
Just point it so your handlebars look straight to you. Yeah, I mean, your front's good. Or does it feel like the rear's pulling?
It feels like the rear.
I wonder if you changed it of alignment.
I was just wondering the same thing. That's kind of what feels up. Is it too tight?
Definitely tight. I'd almost say too tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what it feels like. It feels like it's too tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
No worries. Yeah,
yeah, because that won't let your suspension work, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I'm having trouble with, my rebound.
Okay.
Like, it feels like it's not coming back. So when I'm coming and I hit this little whoop, it just goes right out.
Right, yeah, because it's not...
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to head back to your place and adjust it, or...?
No.
No?
I just want to ride more careful.
Cool. Yeah, right, though?
Yeah, I got everything that I came with.
Excellent.
And I don't even think I broke my phone.
Well, that's good. Do you want to throw the phone in my tank bag?
No.
No? All right.
But definitely stop and get a drink at the store. But that's where we're headed to.
Excellent. Perfect.
Legit.
I'll check all my batteries and shit then. Oh, look at this. You know what? I think I like that. I'm going to leave it just like that.
Yeah, I've noticed that. You've had that for a little bit.
Oh.
Since you came down the hill.
Oh.
Yeah, I've done some really slick shit, and then that place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... Oh, what just beeped?
What?
I thought I heard something beep. Fuck.
Huh.
Whatever. Well, that was fun. How did I not know any of those trails were there?
Yeah,
Well,
man.
I
You didn't know those were there?
No. No idea.
And it's just like better through that area.